The first step is to simply go to your settings, and then you just have to scroll down until you see screen time and then tap on screen time. Now, in your case, it's going to ask you for your passcode. All you have to do is to simply go back until you see the full screen here. Now, at the bottom, as you can see, I have the option to change the screen time passcode. So we just have to tap on that. Now here, we can either turn off screen time passcode or we can change it. So let's press turn off screen time passcode. Here is going to ask for the passcode, and if you don't know it, you just have to tap on forgot passcode, and then you just have to enter your iCloud account or your parents' account, email, and password. Now, if you don't know the password, simply tap on forgot password, and they will send you the link to reset the iCloud password. And then after that, you can turn off the passcode from your screen time. So basically, that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.